Good morning, Standard 4 children. Today we are going to start our next topic. Our topic is internet terms. Okay, at page number 66. Okay, internet terms. Today we have to discuss all this. In last video we had discussed about basic requirement for internet connection. Okay, this we had done in last video. For internet connection we need computer. Okay, we need modem. Okay, I explained you how modem works, modulate and demodulate signals. Okay, then ISP we need, internet service providing company. Okay, which provides access to the internet. Okay, and web browser. Okay, so there are several web browser, Internet Explorer, here it is, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so there are several web browser. Google Chrome we will discuss in detail, okay, in this video. Clear? So Google browser, it is a very important part of internet, okay, because without this you cannot open your internet websites, web pages. Okay, you need a one web browser software in your computer. It can be Google Chrome, can be Mozilla Firefox, any companies. Okay, Internet Explorer. Okay, so there are several web browsers, but most popular one is the Google Chrome. We all are knowing this and familiar with the Google Chrome. Okay, so web browser we need for internet connection, because this is only the software where we can open website and web pages. Okay, web pages, websites are very special type of pages made with the HTML language. Okay, so to open this websites and web pages, no, we need special software called web browser. Okay, to open this. So web browser, it's an important software for internet connection. Okay, now internet terms. So first one is World Wide Web. Okay, so World Wide Web, it is the largest collection of information. In last video I taught you that internet, it is an ocean of internet. We call ocean of information. Okay, so this is the ocean, means this World Wide Web. Okay, so this World Wide Web, it's a software of internet. Okay, which maintains all the websites in web server. Okay, in internet there are several web server, and in web server there are millions of websites. Okay, and all, you know, hardware and software, we need both for this information technology. Okay, computer, you know, it works with hardware and software. So www, it is actually a software of internet. Okay, so all software, all websites of internet are maintained through the www software. Okay, World Wide Web, it's a very special software of internet. It was invented by Mr. Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, he had given a great contribution for the evolution of internet. Okay, which we are using now. Okay, so www, it is just like a library of websites. Okay, this www is a library of websites. There are millions of websites in www. Okay, so World Wide Web, largest collection of information in the form of websites and web pages. Okay, it is like a library of website. www is a software part of internet, and it is invented by Mr. Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, you have to remember this name, Tim Berners-Lee, and here you can see the diagram where it's depicting that internet, it is also, it has also two parts, software and hardware. So internet connection of computer network I had shown you in last videos, है ना, internet connection, okay, computer network I have shown you. So this is actually hardware part of internet, okay. And www, which disseminate information among us, okay. So that is www is a software, it is software of internet, okay. Understood? Hardware part, all computer network, interconnection of computer network, that is hardware, and the word www is software part of internet, okay. So I hope you understood about World Wide Web, okay. It is just like a library of websites. It's a large collection of information it keeps in the form of websites and web pages. And who invented www? So name is Mr. Tim Berners-Lee, okay. Now next topic is website. Website is just like a book, okay, as we have computer book, maths book, science book, okay. So through books we get information, okay. So on internet, no, if you want to know about something, no, so internet provides you information in the form of website, okay. So website is just like a book which contains several web pages, okay. It contains web pages. So website, it is a collection of web pages, okay. Website contain information in the form of interlinked web pages. What type of web pages? Interlinked, okay. Each page is linked to other pages, okay. This is website example, Wikipedia, okay. So this is one website, okay. So Wikipedia, if you want to know anything on any topic, no, so Wikipedia can be used, this website, okay, very popular one. This is another website of Antarctic program, okay. There are thousands of websites, okay, in web server which can give information to us, okay. So website, this is done, okay. Now web page is a page of website. I told you website is just like a book, so every book has pages, no. So website page is called web page. Each screen of website, every screen of website, here you see, it's a screen of Antarctic program, this one. So this is actually web page. Every screen which appears on computer, no, or your mobile phone, so that screen is actually a web page. Here you see, this is Wikipedia website and this is the screen of that website. So this screen is web page. Screen is a web page, okay. So each page may contain text, graphic, audio and video. Here you can see in this web page, this is one video going on, okay. Text is written, several links are there in this highlighted words are written, no, these are actually links which can take us to the next web page, okay. Every web page contains hyperlinks, text, graphic, audio, video, okay, in this form. Our textbook gives information only in the form of text and picture, but web pages are special pages which gives information in the form of audio, video, animation, graphic, text, hyperlinks, okay. So I hope you understood this. Now this is another example of web page. These two are web page, interlinked web page. This is web page of Google, okay. So when you click on this, it takes to the next web page, okay. And in this web page you can see one picture is given with text, okay. So these are web pages, home page. Home page is first and main page of website. Okay, every book has its title page, no? In a computer book also has one title page. Okay, like that, in every website has its one title page. Okay, that title page, that first page is called home page. Okay, what is the use of home page? So home page introduces the website. Okay, the website about all about so that information we get through the home page, and it provides several links to surf on website. Okay, so it provides links and it introduces the website. Okay, so this is your home page. Now next is hyperlink. Okay, so hyperlink, every web page contains hyperlink. ठीक है, in a one web page there can be 10-20 hyperlinks. Okay, so every web page contains hyperlinks. They may be text or image. This hyperlink can be a text, it can be a small picture, or can be an icon, small one. Okay, small picture. And when your mouse pointer changes in hand shape, okay, over when you hover mouse over the word, no, so where the pointer changes into hand shape size, no, means that word, that picture, okay, is a hyperlink. It indicates that hand shape pointer indicates that this word is a hyperlink. Okay, so when we click on hyperlink, it take us to the next web page. Here you can see, you can understand through this. These are web pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 web pages are there, and each web pages are interlinked through the hyperlink. If you click on this hyperlink, it will open this web page. If you click here, this hyperlink, then it will take us to this web page. Okay, every web page has a hyperlink which can connect to the another web page. Understood? So hyperlinks helps us to surf on internet. Understood? On internet, no, every web page has every web page is interlinked with other web pages. Understood? So hyperlink, it is very important part of website. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. Now next is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Each document on the World Wide Web, that document can be website, web page, or any document, has its unique address on internet. Understood? Every document of internet, every website, every web page, okay, has its unique address. Okay, this unique address is known as URL. Okay, this address is called URL. The URL is used to access www documents on internet. So on internet, when we require URL to access internet document, just like a home address which is required for a postman to deliver a letter or a parcel at home. Okay, here this is your URL. Okay, http://www.grambooks.com. Okay, so this is address of G-Ram Books website. Understood? So this is our book publisher website, G-Ram Books. So every website has its one unique address. That address is called URL. Okay, so using URL we can open website. Clear? I hope you understood. URL, it's a unique address. Okay, unique address of website or a web page. Clear? Now next is downloading and uploading. Downloading and uploading, these are two processes. These are two processes of internet. Okay. Information, if we are receiving through the internet, okay, if we receive information through the internet, that is called downloading. Downloading, here it is written. Downloading is the process of receiving information on or software through the internet. Any information or any software, if you receive through the internet, that process is called downloading. Clear? And its reverse. Any information or a software, when we put it on internet, okay, so that is called uploading. Uploading is the process of putting information from our computer to the internet. Computer to the internet. Okay. So these are two processes. I hope you understood this. Its picture is also given in book. Okay. 2 computers are shown. Okay. And 3 web servers are shown in the picture, page number 67. I hope you all can see this one. So these are 3 web servers and these 2 are computers. When we are here, we are receiving, when we receive information or any software from these web server, okay, means from internet, so this is called downloading. And when we upload through our computer, when we upload any video, any song on the internet, this is called uploading. Okay, downloading and uploading. I hope you understood. Moving from one page to another on the web browser is called net surfing. Okay, net surfing. On internet, when we go from one web page to another web page, okay, one website to another website. So this process is called net surfing. I hope you understood this. And today we have done till the topic of downloading and uploading. Okay, next video I will start how to we will start about browser, Google Chrome browser. Okay, we will discuss about Google Chrome browser. Okay, do your homework at home and study. Examinations are 1 month is only left. February you have to write your final exam. So prepare your chapter. Bye.